Hey, the date is November 25th. It is a Monday. And today we're going to be talking about jump ropes, all things jump ropes. Why I jump rope nearly every day, with the exception of days where I run instead or I have my rest days, and why I think it could be an potentially ideal solution for those who are looking for, a fun yet really effective means of cardio that burns fat incredibly efficiently, as well as the various types of jump ropes, the different techniques and methods, and why you should consider picking it up. So let's get right onto it. Okay, so you can see here I'm doing two basic forms of jump roping. There are several that you can pick up, but just doing two here. It's the basic, just alternate footstep or boxer skip. I learned it while I was doing Muay Thai for a little over a year. I picked it up and incorporated it into most of my cardio workouts, and also just the basic jump, the basic hop, where you just go up and down. So as far as the reasons why I jump rope, most days where I'm not running or have a rest day, is that it helps you develop your mind body connection, which are closely intertwined with each other. Second thing is that it's great for cardio in general. 10 minutes of jump roping a day is roughly equivalent to 30 minutes of jogging, zone 2 to zone 1 jogging a day. So it's a great way to build your cardiovascular health, your VO2 max, which is the maximum amount of oxygen that you could intake and effectively distribute throughout your muscle tissue with each inhale to exhale ratio. And it's just good for you, just cardiovascularly. Um, Another reason is that I perceive it as meditation in a way through movement, which again relates to the development of your mind body connection. Um, it's particularly helpful for someone like me, and I'm assuming maybe some of my audience members, for someone who had, struggles with focus in general. The typical kind of advice that people give for meditation is through, stationary or just motionless sitting, where you're silent for any given interval of time. This is essentially doing the same thing, but you're moving your body. You're triggering action and flow of thoughts through the flow of your body. In that way, it's kind of how I like to perceive it. So, three reasons right there. Um, Helps you develop your mind body connection and establish kind of a routine form of meditation that's active. And it's just great for your cardiovascular health. Another thing, and this is especially relevant for doing it in the morning before you really get any calories in, um, or if you're intermittent fasting, if you jump rope for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, which is what I'm doing here at the gym, you burn fats much more effectively. Your body enters ketosis much more effectively. And jumping up and down activates your lymph nodes. So, as far as strengthening your immune system or keeping it at an active state, jump roping is incredibly effective in that way as well. So let me just really briefly talk about the various types of jump ropes. Now I do two intervals of 5 minutes, so typically 10 minutes in total. Um, what I'm jumping with here is typical speed rope, which are super thin and light. They're perfect for like high speed cardio and double unders, which if you can see is what I'm doing. There are also weighted ropes. They're a game changer when it comes to like strength training. They make every jump like a full body exertion. There's beaded ropes as well. They're more durable and heavier typically, and they're ideal for learning tricks or freestyle routines because they give better feedback in motion. It's not typically the thing that I'm into, but for those that are, they're out there. There are also the most basic kind, which are basic PVC ropes. They're lightweight and great for beginners if you just want to start right ahead. It's perfect for mastering the rhythm and the basic moves. if a speed rope is a little too advanced to begin with. Lastly, I wanted to talk about smart ropes. Personally, I'm not too big of a fan of this. I like the tactical kind of aspect of using jump ropes, but you can connect them to your phone. It helps you track your jumps, calories burned, and workout duration. It's great for someone who's like more data driven, who likes to like track biometric data to see progress and things like that. Anyways, so if you want a quick cardio session or like strength training, or want to hone down some freestyle tricks, uh, jump roping is a great routine to establish as a part of your regular routine. So that's pretty much it. Feel free to watch the rest of the video if you want. I appreciate the feedback in the other videos. I've been getting comments in one or two videos recently, which I do appreciate. If you have any comments, thoughts about your experience with various types of cardio outputs or mediums that you have, thoughts on jump roping in general, feel free to leave a comment, like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm always looking at the comments, replying, and just really enjoying the community kind of interactions that we've been getting recently. That's really pretty much it. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.